Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited today because even though I've recorded so many videos, today I'm actually really going to post it. So it'll be done today and posted today. So guys, I bought a pressure washer from Home Depot. So the cost of a pressure washer can range of various amounts. I bought one kind of user-friendly for my needs, I think anyway. They range from couple $100s to, in the thousands. And hopefully if you pay for the service, you'll get the gas one, because that's what I hear is the better. Well, they're both good, but it's a more heavy duty one. So let's get to it.
I just wanted to show the before and after of the empty wasp nest. It was there for a few months, so I was pretty excited that it was all gone. Just the residue was there left, and it kind of chipped the paint because of the fact that it was so long standing there.
Hi guys, I just want to talk about the actual unit that I purchased from Home Depot. It is $130 right now, plus shipping and handling. And it's called Realm, correct me if I'm wrong. It's 2100 max PSI, which is the amount of pressure that it sprouts out, which I think is, well, from what I've read online, I think that it is good for an electric washer. The gas ones are more powerful, but they're a lot more heavy duty. I'm not gonna find one this size as a gas unless you're gonna spend like a lot of money. But I mean, that's the whole thing about having a gas one as opposed to one that is plastic. Uses, as you can see from the different pictures. This is the main part that I wanted to talk about because of the fact that they have, I was saying that the optional accessories I can get online, and you can get like a fixed brush, you can get a fixed brush, angle nozzle, turbo nozzle, patio cleaner, extension pressure hose. You can get different types of accessories. On the side, I guess I would like to talk about, there's a start-stop system here. I guess I don't really need to talk about anything on this side. That's it. So even if you don't see the actual details of the degrees and the numbers, I'm telling you, so, and I can link it down below in the description. My afterwards review. Overall, generally, I liked it. It took me some trial and error to get used to, but I think I figured it out. So, quick note, I have the degrees on the little knobs, so that's a good thing. Cons. One of the things that I didn't like was, so it does have wheels, but it would be nice to have the, you know how like when you have luggage and you can just get open, click it open. I think it should be height because I'm 5'8", so it would be better to have that in addition to the wheels to maneuver it around.
Quick sidebar, I want to comment on what you should wear. It should be super casual because the water does splash you back, and you might want to get some goggles while you're at it.
Knob, it's hard to turn off or take off. When I figured out the black knob are useful for the soap that you have in there, And I got to test out a few of the different other colored knobs. I'll go online and check and review, but other than that, I think it gets a thumbs up. I'll definitely be using it again. I'm glad I bought it because I'm very meticulous, and even though someone else can be paid to do the work, I feel I would do better. And that's my kid. I feel like I would do better at doing it myself. So look for more videos and check me out on Instagram. Like below. And if you guys have this model, let me know and maybe I can get some tips from you. And if you've tried it, let me know. I can also comment and let you know what I found. All right, bye.